This is Sean with Foundation Solutions Group, and thank you for joining us at Solutions University today. Today we're going to talk about freeze protection on your sump pump system, and I want to try to clarify what this object does. But if you care about your customers, you offer this, because what happens, this is the install, the sump pump is inside of this crawl space, and the discharge comes out, discharge line, which is 1.5 inches. And then it goes into the freeze guard, and then we continue into a 4-inch pipe. In the event that there's very extremely cold weather, like we have a couple times a year in this region, and the pipe freezes here, then this discharge line will cycle itself over and over, or it can't pump at all. A lot of people don't know that snow seepage is actually worse than rainwater seepage, because when it snows a lot and that snow melts, and then we have a rainstorm, this happened a couple times this year, and our phone rang off the hook. The water has nowhere to go, so Mother Nature tells this water to come in and fill up the low spot, and that's exactly what it's trying to do. And your sump pump's trying to work and discharge that water, and all of a sudden the line is frozen and you're stuck. This will discharge the water out on top through this device, because it won't freeze here, and it goes onto the ground. And then when the pipe thaws out, it goes back to normal discharge. You can also, if you don't like getting in your crawl space, and a lot of people don't, even if it's encapsulated, when you hear this pipe, you can just walk out there and you hear your sump pump kick on, you can just look and it'll show you the flow that's coming through this, and you'll know that it's working correctly. This is a huge, huge deal. We have competitors in the marketplace that do not use these, and it's an injustice to the customer, and you're asking for problems down the road. So you definitely want to. The reason that some people don't do it is because they can't drill this hole in the brick when we pay these extra dollars and cents to get these brick and masonry bits so that we can do a professional install. You'll notice a beauty ring here. We caulk that, make it look nice, come out, and you got to get this spacing right. There's different methods to do this, but the goal is to get back into this 4-inch pipe, and generally we will not attach it to a gutter downspout, but then in this picture, that's how they chose to do it, and then they come out. So, fantastic feature. Freeze protection, some company freeze relief, things of that nature. This is huge, important to the success of your sump pump and keeping your space dry. So thank you for joining Solutions University today, and remember, choose Foundation Solutions Group for all your local foundation repair needs.